First ball. First runs off the bat. The captain gets off the mark, and so does Gwadar Sharks. A couple of runs added to the total.
Looks like he's got a touch of class about him. Too much pace.
Yes, hit top edge, overslip for a boundary. That's the first one.
Well, he definitely looks to get onto anything short pretty quickly. Quite wide outside the off stump. That's why he's got a top edge. It's a couple of full shots he's tried to play in this over, and he hasn't quite got the timing. The result there is good. And you can see that by the expression on his face. First boundary.
That's a good ball. He just squared him up.
Bit of nip off the surface. Going across the left-hander. If anything, probably like to see that pitched up just a little bit more. Just draw the batsman to the stroke.
Runs. Slightly short in length. Easy to pull it away because lots of vacant gaps on the onside in front of the square. They've got the two men, fine leg and third in the deep. That's a good call. And that's a good run completed.
You can see a deliberate effort to try and get the ball to swing away from the left-hander from the angle of that seam. Facing the slips. Amir. This one probably not the length he wanted to be.
That's a good sharp delivery. That's a good shot. Just coming down, meeting the ball early. May not get four. He does. Good effort there though, but boundary goes onto the scoreboard.
Yeah, he's come down the wicket again. The previous ball he did that. Amir saw him, dug it in. This time he's advanced down the wicket a little bit later. Got a good connection. Good effort from the fielder, Usman Khan.
That's a good ball. Full, targeted well, just at the root of off stump. Also the end of 3 overs, 16 for no loss.
He's got this Yorker. Perfect.
Yeah, just not enough carry. The bounce is not very trustworthy at the moment. It's going down. It's going down, yes.
Yeah, the problem sometimes when it's on the inside seconder and there's extra material, then it starts to rub against each other and catch onto the other pad. So more than likely that's why he's put them on the outside. This is the peel. Last delivery clearly going down the leg side. Usman was very interested. Umpire not.
Hasn't got all of it, but still might go to the boundary, and it does.
Now the outfield's quick. Outfield's very quick, and you have to feel for the fieldsman because this was a valiant effort. He hasn't hit that ball all that well. Very high on the bat. He's found the gap, but this is testimony to how good the outfield is. That ball still managing it to make its way to the boundary.
That's a good shot again. That's a beautiful shot. Back foot punch, standing tall, riding the bounce.
Wow. This is exquisite. Slightly back of a length. And he's had to make sure it's gone through the gap because there's 3 fielders in and around that area. Backward point just in front, and then an extra cover, but he's threaded it beautifully through.
Runs here, just beats that circle and come back for 2.
Well, you know what happens, Sikandar, of course, is that when youngsters are sitting and watching their national teams playing and there's somebody who's outstanding, the majority of the time everybody wants to become what they see on TV. You look at their spin bowling department, of course.
It's going to be a 4. Oh, that's a good stop. That's a brilliant stop. The timing on the dive was so correct. That ball was traveling.
That's the kind of fielding you expect to see from young cricketers. Struck it well and driving away to his left. That is a brilliant bit of fielding. Onto his feet quickly, Amir. Negotiates that last ball of the 5th over. Down to long on. So 5 overs gone. Gwadar Sharks 33 for no loss.
Oh, yes.
Benkenstein, who is 16 from 14 now. What it is, does he get enough of this? I think it does. Watch the bounce. Probably just pick up 2, but I like the shot. I like what he's trying to do, and he's trying to open up that offside.
The intent is good. Giving himself room inside out. There's no fielder on the offside in the deep. A couple of runs there. It's spin from both ends, and that's how you have to counter spin.
He's going to run down because look at where he's got to then. Gets an inside edge and pick up 2. And you could see then the way that...
Just look at that. He gave himself room, went on the leg side. Now he's trying to come back. But here, the umpire is also right. He has walked a few feet too much.
No, this doesn't hold. No, that replay definitely. That was 2 balls, or now 3 balls ago. He definitely ran down the middle, and quite rightly the umpire was spot on to say.
There's so much going on in his head right now.
Oh, yes.
Oh, bowled. Just walked straight across, tried to just work it onto the leg side for a single, and they deserved that. Bowled well, they frustrated the batters, and an excellent way to finish off the power play.
And the left arm spinner bringing the ball into the left-hander, Shamil Hussain, not really knowing where his leg stump was. Missed that one. Generally a good batter, but not able to really know where he was standing, using his feet across the crease. He has to walk back for 15. Gwadar Sharks 38 for 1.